and I encourage you to vote and choose Canada.
Why should we become a province when we could become a great nation?
A poor nation.
I'd rather be free and poor.
Yep, she's definitely off her tracks. So we are stuck here. Looks that way, at least until the crew can get out.
Ladies and gentlemen, there has been a murder!
You. I should have known it was you by the way you sideswiped my shins.
Traitor.
Dreamer.
Communist.
First, I opened up the cylinder.
Oh!
What did you say?
It was very loud!
I think he has a concussion.
Dink to tea and the blueberries. Clears me out every time.
Some people think that Confederation would be good for the fishery.
That is true. Très bien.
Merci.